There are three important resources that are essential for us to move through our day, and they are energy, focus, and presence. When either of these resources get depleted while we are going through stress or overwhelm, it is impossible for me or you to carry out even our simplest responsibility at work. And this is where it is important to mind your mindfulness in order to bring an alignment between energy, focus, and presence so that you can develop a balance that will help you to not only perform at your highest efficiency, but also protect your well being. This will help you to establish a calm and positive classroom atmosphere. Now let's look at what are the different kinds of energies that we spend during our day. In a regular day, as an educator or a teacher, we need intellectual energy to prepare those lesson plans to teach. We need emotional energy while interacting with our students. We need physical energy to be present and social energy to handle different challenging situations. According to five energy domains, there are the energies that are required for mental energy, emotional energy, physical energy, social energy, and spiritual energy. Mental energy is the energy that we use for decision making, problem solving, all of which requires focus and clarity. Emotional energy is the energy that we derive from our own feelings and thoughts. And physical energy is the energy that we derive from food and workouts that enables us to be physically fit. Social energy is the energy that is essential during social interactions, whether it's with students or parents or with other co-workers. And spiritual energy refers to the energy that is aligned to your values and purpose in life. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on what is the estimate of energy that you spend out of your 100%.